Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another wig install from I Like Hair. This is their Wear and Go layered wavy curtain bangs 4x4 pre-cut lace closure wig. This wig basically comes ready for you to just throw on and leave your house. So I'm going to show you guys how easy that is. But before we jump into today's video, I do just want to let you guys know that they are having their pre-Black Friday sale. I have the screenshots right here, but I'll make sure to put it in the description box as well. Make sure you guys go ahead and you take advantage of that. These sales are amazing. Go ahead and get you some wigs at a really good discounted price. So right here, I'm just showing you guys everything that comes along with the wig unit in itself. I do just want to let you know that I Like Hair guarantees that what you see is what you get. All of their products are produced according to unified standards. Whether it's to influencers or customers, they will be sent at a unified standard. So what you guys are seeing on my screen is exactly what you guys will get as well. Every customer will get what they want from I Like Hair. So here is the wig here. I'm giving you guys some close-ups, of course. Once again, this is their Wear and Go layered wavy curtain bangs wig 4x4 pre-cut lace closure, and it is 100% glueless, by the way. It's an easy wear and go wig, again pre-cut lace, very beginner friendly as well. So the first thing that you want to do is just add some makeup onto that lace. By the way, I didn't do anything to this wig. The wig comes ready to go, you guys, alright? So I'm just adding some makeup onto the lace as usual. I'm adjusting that adjustable strap, and then I just go ahead and I throw the wig on and make sure she's fitting my head properly. Now me personally, whenever I plan on using no glue, no spray, I do like to take advantage of the combs that's inside of the wig. That's what helps the lace to look really flat, on top of having a high quality lace as well. But you really want to make sure that the lace is laying as flat as can be. That way you definitely don't have to use like any spray or anything like that. So right now I'm just combing all of that hair out of my face. I really want to see what the wig is looking like, what the lace is looking like, make sure everything is looking right on me so far, make sure she's fitting me right. So I am going to dab just a little bit more cream foundation right at the edges of the lace just to ensure that she matches my skin tone perfectly. Honestly, she is just melting beautifully without any product on its own. Now once again, the purpose of this wig is to be a real quick, ready to go, throw on and go type of wig. So technically it does come styled for you. If you have to do a little bit of touch-ups because of the shipping and handling or whatever, then you may have to do that. But the wig does come ready for you to go. So me personally, I love the style of the wig in itself, but I didn't like how the wig was a little bulky at the top. That could be because of shipping and stuff like that as well. So we really want to flatten her out a little bit because I don't want it to look like I just have a pile of hair sitting at the top of my head. So to get the wig to lay a little bit flatter, I'm just going in with my wax stick and my hot comb, just to ensure that I get it as flat as I can without ruining the original style of the wig in itself. Okay, so right here, I don't know if you guys could tell, one side is a lot flatter than the other. That was the reasoning for me doing this, because I just wanted to be a little bit more flatter at the top. So I did go ahead and do majority of the other side off camera as well. It takes like 3 seconds. It doesn't take long at all. Now, as far as the styling of the rest of the wig, there's literally nothing that I had to do besides finesse it as far as the way that I wanted the wig to lay. This is a layered wavy type of wig, and honestly the style kind of reminds me of like 80s almost, especially because of the curtain bangs in the front. So we will be keeping the middle part. We're definitely going to be keeping the styling of the bangs as well. We're just going to fix her up a little bit. So before I touch up the rest of the hair, I'm just going to add a little bit more foundation to the middle part. I'm going in with a lighter foundation this time just to help mimic scalp, because your scalp is a lot lighter than the rest of your complexion. After I finished that, honestly, there was really nothing to do. I used my hot comb just to kind of like finesse the curtain bangs a little bit. I didn't want them to be in my face, but I still wanted them to be noticeable, if that makes any sense. Again, the rest of the wig does come layered and slightly curled for you. It kind of has like a nice wavy bump to it. So we're not going to mess with that. We're going to leave that. I definitely wanted to keep the original style of the wig unit in itself. But as far as the quality of the hair, I definitely feel like the wig was of great quality. Definitely no shedding. I rarely ever have shedding when it comes to I Like Hair wigs overall. And as you guys can see, it is giving grown woman sexy. Like, it's looking really, really, really cute. And I love the fact that the wig comes ready to go. It was very simple to just throw on, fix her up a little bit, and that is it. And it's also giving a very nice everyday wig as well. Okay, you guys, and that is it for this tutorial. Real quick, simple, and easy, right? Definitely a good wig for all of my beginners out there, or if you are the type of person who wears a particular wig on a daily, or you're looking for a really nice everyday wig where you can wear to work or even to a special event or even just casual wear. I feel like this is the perfect wig for you to do that, especially because that lace just melts. You don't have to use any product, and also it comes styled for you as well. Make sure you guys check out my description box down below. Everything will be listed there. Remember to take advantage of the Black Friday sale, and I will see you guys next time.